So the materials required for this project are a simple empty plastic jar. I have cut a piece of bottle like this. A 24-volt DC motor, wire, a switch. Let me show you. A switch and a 24-volt DC adapter, and it is a AC to DC adapter. So let's start. So in the first step you need a jar and a motor. So now you just have to make a hole inside it like this so that the motor goes inside it. So let me make a hole and then show it to you. So as you can see, I made the hole right here, and now see, the motor is the motor exactly fits right here. See, and now we just have to paste the motor. So let me paste and then show it to you. So as you can see, I have pasted it right here and it looks very good. And now we just have to make paste the fan right here. So let me paste it. So as you can see, I have pasted the fan, and now what we have to do is just keep it aside. You can see it looks very good, and now we just have to keep it aside. And now it is step number 2. So we just have to take this and the bottle part, and now we just have to make a hole right here, and we just have to paste it. So let me make a hole, and we just have to take marking from here. So I will not do it on camera because I need some tools for that. So let me show you after it is done. So as you can see, I have just pasted it and I have covered it with a tape to make it look nice. You can see it looks very nice. And now what do you have to do is take this and close the tin. So as you can see, our air cooler is made, but we will add one feature to it, that we have to add a switch. So for adding a switch, it is step number 3. And for adding a switch, what we have to do is just take the switch and we just have to paste wherever we want, and we have to take 2 wires for that. So let me do the whole thing. So as you can see, I have just pasted this right here, and there are 2 wires of the switch, and now we just have to do the connections. So now what do we have to do is just connect 1 wire of the motor to the switch. See, like this. And now what do we have to do is just these 2 wires are left. Let me show you. These 2 wires are left, one of the motor and one of the switch, and we just have to extend these both and then paste it to the power supply. So let me do it. So as you can see, I have done it and it looks very good. See, I have just extended the wire and this wire too. So now what we have to do is just connect it with the power supply. So now we just have to make it attractive. So let me make it more attractive. So you can see our project is ready, and I just decorated it and it is looking very good. So now what do we have to do is just open it, see, and fill this up with the ice. So let me fill and then show it to you. So as you can see, I have just filled it with the ice, and now we just have to turn it on. See, I have just filled it with the ice, and now we just have to turn it on. So you can see I have turned it on, and cool air is coming. Let me show you. See, it's working, and very cool air is coming right here. So if you want to make this, go and subscribe to my channel and see this full video. So today's shout out goes to the Marvel India. Go and subscribe to his channel, you can see here. And if you want to get a shout out like this, go and do a beautiful comment on my this video or previous video, and the best comment will get a shout out. So bye, thanks for watching.